Baka maunahan tayo. We might miss it. Hindi ako makasingit. I can't get a chance to talk. Ang hirap basahin ang sulat mo. I can't barely read your handwriting. Parang uulan na. Looks like it's going to rain soon. Naubusan ako ng barya. I ran out of coins. Wala siyang kaalam-alam. He has no idea. Ang lakas ng loob mo. You've got some nerve. Baka mawala ka. You might get lost. Huwag mo akong paasahin. Don't get my hopes up. Nabitin ako sa kwento. I got cut short in the story. Sayang, muntik na. What a waste, almost. Nawala na yung gana ko. I'm not in the mood anymore. Parang kilala kita. You look familiar. Hindi ko sinasadya. I didn't mean to. Ang sikip ng daan. The road is narrow. Wala na akong masasabi. I'm speechless. Naubos na ang oras natin. We're running out of time. Hindi siya mapakali. He is restless. Huwag kang magpahalata. Act natural. Baka maunahan tayo sa pila. We might lost our spot in line. Naubusan ako ng pamasahe. I don't have money for the ride. Wala siyang kamalay-malay. He is completely clueless. Baka mawala yung gamit mo. You might misplace your stuff. Nabitin ako sa palabas. The show left me hanging. Parang kilala na kita noon pa. I seem to have known you before. Ang sikip ng kwarto. The room is cramped. Huwag kang magpahalata sa kanila. Act like nothing happened. Naipit ako sa gitna ng away. I get trapped in the middle of a fight. Baka maabutan tayo ng dilim. We might be out late until it's dark. Hindi ako sanay sa ganito. I am not used to this. Tumatanda na rin ako. I'm not getting any younger. Nabigla ako sa balita. The news caught me off guard. Malayo pa ang lalakarin natin. We still have a long way to go. Hindi ko kabisado ang lugar na to. I'm not familiar with this place. Parang hindi ko kaya. I don't think I can. Tila wala na siyang pakialam. It's like he doesn't care anymore. Baka may mangyaring masama. Something bad might happen. Hindi ko na kayang magipagsabayan. I can't match their pace. Nakakapagod na maghintay. I'm tired of waiting. Wala akong matulugan. I don't have nowhere to stay. Natagalan ako sa biyahe. The trip took longer than expected. Ang lapit lang pala. Turn out it's so close. Hindi ako mapalagay. I feel uneasy. Nasa kalagitnaan na tayo. We're halfway there. Ayaw niyang sumuko. He refuses to quit. Parang hindi siya natutuwa. She doesn't seem pleased. Umalis na raw sila. They supposedly left. Ang hirap magdesisyon. It's hard to decide. Natapilok ako. I sprained my ankle. Wala akong hawak na pera. I don't have cash with me. Nakakapanibago ang katahimikan. The silence is strange. May hinahanap pa ako. I'm still searching. Wala na siyang gana. He lost his interest. Hindi siya madaling kausapin. He is not easy to deal with. Huwag mong baliwalain iyan. Don't take that lightly. Hindi siya marunong magbiro. She takes it seriously. Huwag mo nang patagalin. Just get over with it.